In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows cannot configure one or more system components. Here, we need to open Command Prompt. On your keyboard, press and hold Shift Fn, the function key, then press F10, or press Shift key, then F10 key. Here, we need to type regedit and press Enter. Expand H key local machine, then system, then setup, then status, and click on child completion. Double-click on setup.exe. Change the value data to 3 and click on OK. Close the registry and click on OK. Your PC will restart automatically. So that's how you can fix Windows could not configure one or more system components. See you in the next video.